What I would like to talk to you about today is something very, very close to my heart. There is a certain level of elitism and purism in the mead maker community, and this is very unfortunate. I've seen it in person. An unfortunate individual in the Mead Hall Discord has been brewing mead for generations, and he was explaining his method to the masses. Now his method is drastically different from the accepted good practices, and he did receive a certain level of disdain for this. You see this on YouTube, when YouTube channels and YouTube creators promote a practice different from the accepted proper practices. You see it on Facebook, where Facebook groups will belittle and sometimes ban people from their community for promoting practices that are outside the norm, that are different from common accepted practices. Now, I'm here to tell you now that there is no wrong way to make mead. If you make mead that you enjoy drinking, then by God, you did it right and you did good. And don't you ever let anybody tell you differently. I don't care if you use raisins for nutrients. I don't care if you don't use nutrients. I don't care if you use Walmart honey or boiled honey. I don't even care if you do not sanitize your equipment. If the mead you made tastes good, then you made it correctly. End of story.